in north central Illinois until 8:30 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Oregon, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Byron, Oregon, Davis Junction, Stillman Valley, Lindenwood, Monroe Center, Kings and Shanna. Including the following interstate, Interstate 39 between mile markers 108 and 114. This includes Castle Rock State Park, Northern State Park, and Ogle County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is No Weather Radio, KCZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm totals for Winnebago,